Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable USB debugging mode. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, go down, tap on about phone, go down, tap on software information. Here you can see build number. On build number we need to tap 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter screen lock password, then verify your identity, tap on OK. See the message developer mode has been enabled. Go back. Now under about phone you can find new option called developer options. Tap here. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me find USB debugging. Go down. Here you can see USB debugging. Let me enable. Tap here. Tap on OK. This way we can enable USB debugging mode. Next I will show you how we can disable USB debugging mode. Again come here. Then just tap here. And this way we can turn off USB debugging mode. Here on top you can see developer options on off button. Let me turn off developer options. Tap here. Done. I recommend to disable developer options after the use because of security issues. Let me verify. Go back. Now under about phone it's not showing developer options because I have disabled. This way we can enable or disable USB debugging mode and developer options. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.